What's it like to live in space? Now, I can't answer that question personally because I've never been to space. Not invited. The International Space Station, or ISS, is operated by a partnership of 5 space agencies from 15 countries. And from what I've gathered, they've developed some very cool techniques to keep everyone happy and healthy as they hurtle through the sky at 17,000 miles per hour. The space station is larger than a 6-bedroom house with sleeping quarters, bathrooms, gym. Now, keep in mind, for every 24 hours on the space station, the sun rises and sets 16 times. So without a regulated schedule, it could feel like being in a state of permanent jet lag. To combat this, astronauts keep a daily schedule that's pretty rigorous. It starts at 6 a.m. and ends at 9:30 p.m. Just like the schedule you thought you were gonna keep when you went to college. That's why you signed up for that 8 a.m. class, right? We all make mistakes. The morning is used mostly for maintenance, which can take a while since often they have to suit up and go out into space to work on the station. The afternoons are usually spent on their main mission, which are scientific experiments to further our species' understanding of life in space. No big deal. Just an afternoon. These are done in labs and research modules. They eat 3 meals a day of food that's been dehydrated and then re-prepared with warm water. So they can't eat or drink anything that could move around the cabin, like coffee in an open mug or crumbly toast. The particles can obviously float away and then become lodged in places, causing problems later on. I'm learning that a big part of space is making sure things don't float away. It's kind of the main thing, I think. The space station is well supplied and has deliveries of necessities like fresh fruit throughout the year. One really important factor of space station life is working out. So without gravity to work against, muscles atrophy and bones become brittle very fast. So the astronauts have to work out at least 2 hours a day on machines that are specifically designed for the zero gravity of the space station. And this is the part that would be a little tricky for me. Everything else is fine. The acre of solar panels that power the station means that every once in a while you can look up at the sky during dawn or dusk and see the spaceship flying over your home. And I have heard that if you wish upon a shooting station, it will come true. So best of luck up there.